Let's pretend, kids!
Hey guys, welcome to Let's Pretend Kids. If you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. Today I'm going to be talking about throwing a Minecraft party. Now we threw one for Jaxon when he was 7 years old, so that's about 5 years ago. And at the time, I did not know anything about Minecraft. But this is what I came up with. I hope you like it. I started with the invitations. On this one I used a green cardstock and block stamps to make the creeper face. And then I kept it really simple on the inside. But I didn't end up liking this one. So I did another one, which is the cubes or the blocks that you build within the game. Of course, again, I didn't know that much about it, but I'm pretty sure I found that on Pinterest. I just printed out a really simple banner with some black and green balloons. I did some creeper faces with Sharpie. And then I just cut out some squares and hung them with balloon ribbon. Really simple. With this life-size creeper, I used cardboard boxes, the plastic tablecloths you get for parties, and acrylic paints. That was a lot of fun because we left it in our window long past Jaxon's birthday, and we all got a kick out of watching everybody's reactions as they passed by our windows. So we did a really quick nether portal in our doorway using streamers, and then on the side we did a Enderman out of black paper plates and some construction paper. We hung a few spiders around the house using black balloons. I believe we painted the eyes red, and then streamers for the legs. And then over on the wall you can see we did a little Minecraft wall with some torches. Now we printed out the torches, but if I find the link for that I will definitely drop it below. And then we used some yellow tissue paper, stuffed it in the top. We printed out some masks instead of using party hats, and we just used a cardstock for that. And then for the swords, we did a thick foam, printed out the images, and glued them on. It took a lot of time and a lot of hard work, but the kids really enjoyed them. This was our first attempt at a grid cake. We were attempting to make a pixelated version of the blocks that you see in Minecraft. We've since learned a better way to go about doing that, but I think it turned out pretty good. We used a foam axe for the top and some Minecraft figures. We also did some Minecraft cupcakes. I printed out some TNT images, put it on a box with some Twizzlers, some Rolos for gold and redstone, pretzels for sticks, and I did a lava punch. I tried to wrap my gifts within the theme. We were really rushed this year because we had just moved into that state 2 weeks before. So we had to get the whole party together pretty quickly. We did a game where we had to go find certain objects to create or to make certain things, like you apparently have to do in the game. And so we just placed the buckets and the treasure within different parts of the house. We kind of had people race to see who could find the items first. We also had a piñata. It was the Ghast character. Kind of looks like a ghost. And I kicked myself because I did not get any pictures. For the gift bags, I just did some green bags with the green creeper face. In fact, I think we did those just with Sharpies. For the inside of the bags, I did some suckers covered with the animal images. I did my own stickers using my Xeron machine. I actually laminated some cards that I printed out, and I laminated some bookmarks that I made up. Again, check out the description for any kind of printouts or links that I can find. And do not forget to like and subscribe. Bye!